the coin. It can be used for many things. Puedes usarla para jugar serpientes y escaleras. You can use it by yourself a great burger at Sawyer's 50/50. Slaters. Or you can play the coin spinning game. Fail. But why am I talking about a coin? Well, it's a variable. But what's a variable? Well, a variable is anything that can change. In this case, the use of the coin was being changed as we went along. But how do we apply this into programming?
In computer science, variables are used to store information.
And you can change that information as you go along. So let's get started. We'll be using Visual Basic, so go get that, and we'll create a new Windows Forms application. Let's name it My First App. There we go. Now here's your window. Go into the toolbox, or let's resize it first, and let's go in the toolbox and let's add a text box and a button. There we go. And now the button. And now let's do some aesthetic adjustments here to this window. That's not important for this test application, but hey, might as well make it look nice. And now you're going to click the button 1, go on the properties panel, and type in the text, what's X? Or anything you want. It doesn't necessarily have to be that. And now you're going to double click the button. And before where it says private sub, you're going to add dim X as string equals, and then whatever you want in quotation marks. So X is X, or I'll just have X for this. There we go. Alright, and then between private sub and end sub, you're going to add an MSG box. In parentheses, quotation marks, X is space, quotation marks, plus X, and the parentheses. And now we're going to double click the text box, and I'm going to add X is equal to text box 1.text, which will set the value of X to something different than what it is now. Clicking button 1 will display a message saying X is whatever X is. So let's do this. X is X. That is currently the value of X right now. Let's type something in here. AlexRam1313, and the current value of X is AlexRam1313. And now let's make this a sentence. X is cool. Great. And that's how to do variables in VB. In more advanced languages, this is how to define a variable. And that's how to do it. You now know how to do one of the most important things in programming. So thanks for watching, hope this helps, and please subscribe.